My mom pranked me with scotch tape, and it was 3 scotch tape. It scared me.
In here. In here. I'm on the back porch. Back porch. Did you not see that? That hurt.
Excuse me. I didn't know that was going to hit you.
Did that scare you?
Did you see it? No, I did not see it. I thought it was going to be
Which part have you seen? Just one?
What? Yeah, I only saw one.
Haha, I got 3.
Hi, I just sent it to me. Yeah, because you're not the one that got hurt.
Here, it's sticking through the window.
What? My mom did a prank on me with scotch tape, and it was 3 scotch tape, and it scared me.